In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a fax in Outlook. If you've ever wished you could fax a document without a physical machine, this is for you. We're going to use a modern, email-based approach that works right inside Microsoft Outlook. The key is to sign up for an online fax service that routes your emails to fax machines. When you create your account, the service gives you a special domain to send through, something like your fax number at yourfaxservice.com. The best part is that you don't need any extra Outlook plugins or printer drivers. Email does all the work behind the scenes. Before you compose your message, make sure your document is ready to go. Supported formats typically include PDF, DOCX, JPG, and PNG, and the total attachment size should be under 20 megabytes. If your file is large, consider compressing it or exporting to PDF to keep the quality high and the size low. Clear, high-contrast scans fax best, so avoid dim photos or skewed pages if you're sending images. Open Microsoft Outlook and click New Email to start. In the To field, enter the recipient's full fax number, including the country and area code, immediately followed by your fax service's domain. It will look like the number directly attached to the domain, with no spaces. Double-check digits and codes here. Most delivery failures come from typos or missing country prefixes. Use the subject line as your fax cover sheet title. In the message body, type any cover note you'd like the recipient to see before the attachments, such as a short introduction, an attention line, or a reference number. Keep it concise and professional, since many services include this text on the cover page. Click the paperclip icon to attach your document or documents. If you're sending multiple files, put them in the order you want them to appear. Make sure the final version is attached. Fax pages can't be edited after sending. Password-protected files usually can't be faxed, so remove protection if needed. When everything looks right, click Send. Your fax service will process the email and deliver it to the recipient's fax machine. You'll receive a confirmation email with the delivery status. This may take a few minutes, depending on line availability and the length of the document. If you see a failure notice, review the number format, file size and type, and try again. That's it. Thanks for watching.